I'm back at the LA Glass Center and with my homeboy Joe in Austin. She's there somewhere. Last time I was here, we did the popcorn video, which I lost my mind. It's as if like I had never seen popcorn before. Oh, dude, look at that thing go. But there was this portion of the video that we just laid down popcorn kernels on top of molten glass, and then we laid more glass on top of that. And then to my surprise, a bubble formed. I just like was not expecting that. So that got me thinking, what other things could we put in molten glass and see what happens? And so today is all about putting different objects in molten glass. How you doing, man?
I'm good, man. I'm ready to go.
What do you think's gonna happen?
Well, it's slightly unpredictable. Like, yeah. I don't know what, can I do a giveaway?
Yeah, so
what's gonna happen? We put a Jolly Rancher in there?
What?
No, dude.
All right, so he started giving it away. Let me show you what we got going on over here. So here's our table of science experiment extraordinaire. We have some potatoes, which is kind of like a throw out to Deb, the winner of Blown Away. We have some Jolly Ranchers. We have an orange. This is straight up just sulfur from Kawaii Jen. That I have no clue what's gonna happen. And then to round it all out, because this is California, I figured we'd just go with an In-N-Out burger. And so we're gonna put an In-N-Out burger in molten glass, and we're gonna see what happens. Should we start with these guys then?
Yeah. Yeah, let's do 3.
All right.
That's plenty. Get it, babe.
Snip.
There we go.
You got it.
Yeah, they got it.
Oh no! It's so good, it's such a mess.
Is it good?
Wow,
No.
they literally caught on fire immediately. I did not think that was gonna catch on fire. Wow. Oh my God, that's a bubble. What? Oh, that's gonna blow up.
No, it's cool, man. You got it.
It looks like your Jolly Rancher bubble.
Oh, that is totally insane. What did we just make? What did you think about that?
It was pretty interesting. I did not know what to expect.
Joe, that's wicked.
That thing is wild,
Yeah.
dude.
There's still some like seeping out down there.
That's crazy.
Oh my God! Are you serious?
All right, let's do another one. Oh no.
It's a
Uh-oh. Oh, because the table. Oh no.
You need to make a receptacle, like an indent, man. Otherwise, the stuff just slides all over the place.
I guess the one thing that I wasn't predicting was that it was just gonna catch on fire.
Yeah.
I mean, we know glass is hot, but that was wicked.
Forgot that.
Let's do a sweet potato then. It's just one.
You
Yeah,
want
let's
to
do
try
that.
to slice
I really-
the sweet potato in half. You could see how the glass reacts to the interior of the vegetable.
I'm down. I'm in. What do you
Let's
think?
do it.
All right,
I
let's
got
do
it.
it. Oh my God, you're making me so nervous.
Perfect.
There we go.
Just use a half.
Just a half. All right.
Let's try it.
Predictions?
As long as we cover the entire thing, we should be able to get one giant uniform expansion. That's our goal.
Agreed.
Let's find out. Snip.
Little bed for this potato.
That's
We
what
put that potato to bed.
All right.
Oh wow, that's a really good bed. Okay, she's placing it. It has been placed. Whoa, that is such a good pour.
Wait.
Oh, here. Up, it's going. It's going. That is huge. That's gotta be the biggest one. That's the biggest one by far. That is really, oh man. Oh man. Still talking to us. Oh, it's like creating like a side pouch. Woo! That is amazing. Off of one little, oh! I feel like you knew. I feel like you knew. You knew.
No.
Oh my God. It's so beautiful. Wow. And then, wow.
Well, what we figured out is the glass just wants to sheet off the object because there's immediate steam bed. So slicing these things in half was a great call.
That was a great idea.
That was Austin's idea.
That was your idea.
We're gonna try this orange rather than leave it round because, you know, we would predict
lot
that
of
the glass
glass.
would just slide off. Yeah, we're gonna slice that one in half also.
All right, cool.
Right? And then what, face up?
I think face up. That is a ton of glass. What? It's catching on fire.
Yeah. On this side a little bit. There we go. Come back. This
Down, let's seal it.
Okay.
Okay, it's sealed. Can you cut it?
Yep. Up. Hold it up.
That looks so
That's beautiful.
crazy. It does look really pretty.
That's a keeper.
That's actually really tight.
It's nice.
Oh God, left-handed? This is so sketchy.
This is the only one so far that smells good. All right, well, I guess we'll see what happens to that in a couple days. These are actually not for fashion. This is actually for safety, because safety is the #1 priority.
Correct.
Excellent. Sulfur from Kauai Gen,
Awesome.
which is a volcano that shoots up pure sulfur. Yeah, pretty gnarly. So I got that from Indonesia.
Let's do it.
True experiment. Oh, what? Oh, it's going. Oh, it is going.
Go, babe.
Wow, I did not expect that. It is so weird. That is the strangest color. It's so dark right now.
Oh, it's still expanding on this side.
Oh,
It's
wow.
got some room to grow
I've
over here,
never
Nick.
seen
Check this out.
anything like it.
That is so bizarre. That totally looks alien-like.
Oh, man.
Oh, it's shrinking now. That's so crazy. It's like globbing all around.
It's expanding from a different side. Yep, there's another bubble.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's a bubble within a bubble.
It's a bubble in a
it's
bubble.
happening.
Oh boy.
And it's
Oh my
starting to
Pushing this
smell.
bubble out.
What?
What is happening? There's a bubble over here that's got this really dark color in it. Oh! Oh my God! It is burning that blue color, because that's what sulfur burns blue. And so you can see down there, that's the molten sulfur.
Oh my God.
Didn't think that was gonna happen.
Yeah.
Thoughts?
I've been playing with glass for 25 years, never seen anything like
What? That was a first?
Yeah, dude. That thing was pushing itself until it exploded. I keep getting surprised by the explosions.
It was really crazy. The sulfur smells like a fart. It's like it kind of gets into your throat and you can like taste it. Feels like you're tasting a fart. Not the best. So we are moving on to the In-N-Outs.
Yes.
And I've gotten 3 of them. Now the challenge is if you can get this thing totally covered in glass the first time, then you can eat the other 2. The other 2 are yours. Now this, what is that?
Ladle.
Oh, obviously.
This is our larger scoop. A full scoop is about 10 pounds of glass.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we're not gonna need a.
First scale.
I don't think we're
We're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna like use this to dump the glass on it.
Just get more volume.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, you got some.
Oh my good lord.
Nice.
That is a ton of glass. Wow.
Enough to cover a burger.
That's right. All right, burger versus glass. Oh no!
No.
Mid-fire.
Oh no.
It pushed it right off. What are your thoughts?
Don't run away, man. Let's ditch it. Let's ditch it.
So we're gonna try it again.
Yeah. You guys are gonna end up sharing the last burger. Whoa! Oh.
We're gonna lay like a pancake on some arbor.
Yep.
And make a burger bed.
Yep.
Place the burger, and then we're gonna come back in with another mass of glass and cover it.
I'm the burger bed maker.
Burger versus molten glass. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's got a grip on it. This is exactly what I imagine happening if a burger were to fall in lava.
Wow.
Oh, it is just turbo cooking it. What should we call it? Oh,
The floppy burger or something?
Charred boy.
what do you think we should call it?
Little smoky?
Little Smoky, that's a full-blown burger in there, man. What? That's so crazy.
I guess I don't know why. I just didn't think that the burger was gonna be so smoky. I mean, it's like filled your whole studio.
We gotta do another attempt, man. But we gotta get rid of this one.
What is that? Oh, tomato.
We wanna see if we can totally get the glass around it all around, man.
There's your patty.
Wow.
You feel how much heat is coming off
I know,
of
it's like alarming in the amount of heat. It's creating a burger bed.
All right, yellow.
Oh my gosh, it's so much heat. Burger in.
On your burger.
Oh my God! Oh, he did it! Oh my God! Oh my God! This disaster is amazing! Oh my good lord! It's so hot I can't even get close to it. It's shooting fire out all of the bubbles. Oh my God! Oh, it's coming! Oh, it's oh God! Oh my lord! That is ridiculous. It's so hot, I can't even get close. Oh, that is insane. My knuckles are like on fire because it's so hot. It's so much hot glass. Oh, thanks, man. You see what he's doing right here? Oh, that's so nice. Thank you. Wow. So freaking crazy.
I gotta move it just a little bit.
Oh wow, there's fire in there. There's fire in the burger zone. I think we should spray with water.
I agree.
All right, let's do it.
Wow, sneak peek inside. Oh no, yeah! And there's the burger. Seriously, the coolest thing I think I've ever seen in a studio ever. We like literally covered a burger in glass.
I get to eat that half.
Oh yeah, bro, this is yours. Yeah, totally, yeah. Right here, that's yours. You earned it. Always have such an amazing time here at the LA Glass Center. You guys can come, if you're in Los Angeles, you can come to the LA Glass Center, learn how to glass blow. My girlfriend's best friend came here, and her and her boyfriend learned how to do glass blowing. There's a link in the description below. I really want you guys to check out all the social handles from everyone that was involved in this. This studio really runs on support from people coming in, taking classes, and also buying materials. So please check out the link in the description below. I love these guys. I really want you to support them. If you guys like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up in the comment section below. Let me know, did you know that you could cover a burger in glass? If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you really soon.